Hello everyone, we are Team Jupiter and we will be presenting a business plan on Airway Delivery, a new business opportunity. Our company name is Elite Courier Services. Elite means superior and professional in terms of quality and uniqueness, which we would like to deliver to our customers in form of our services. So we have come up with this name, Elite Courier Services. Our company logo defines our unique style and services. Our tagline is Your vision we delivered, which means our goal is to deliver customers whatever they want and fulfill their vision. Our USP, that is unique selling proposition, is we are as fast as air and as trustworthy as your heart. Our vision is to build a strong brand in the delivery services industry by deploying continuous product and process innovation and to become the market leader in the drone-based delivery services line of business across India. Our mission strives to connect the supply chain between various enterprises and end users as well provide dependable high quality and low cost delivery options. This is the organization chart of Elite Courier Services. At the topmost is Executive Chairman. Under the Executive Chairman, there is a management team which consists of Administration Manager, Marketing Manager, Business Analytics Manager, Human Resources Manager, and Finance Manager. Under the Administration Manager, there is software, and the software consists of Program Manager. Under the software, there is drone operators, which are responsible for operating the drones. Under the drone operators, there is software development team, which consists of program manager and software manager. Under the software development team, there is support staff, which consists of packaging manager and customer manager. This is the SWOT analysis of our company. Our strengths are our location, the strategy we will pursuing, a variety of payment options, safe and secure delivery, and outstanding customer service culture will contribute to our success. Our weakness is to grow our company. We may need to rely on outside exposure of dependability of drones as safe as and quick mode of transportation, which is critical flaw that could be exploited. Our opportunities is that we must take advantage of the way we will be working for our commercial drone transportation company in India, a city known for its openness to innovative ideas. We have conducted detailed feasibility studies and market evaluations, and we understand and what our future clients will be searching for when they employ our services. Our threats is individuals and organizations in India have not fully recognized drones as a mode of transportation, posing a significant threat to humanity. Similarly, the legal and administrative environment may continue to be source of difficulty for us. Fundamentally, incorporating advancement into daily life can take a long time.